Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Under the twinkling New Jersey night, young cricketers geared up for a celestial clash. The Nebula won the toss and, like stars aligning, chose to bat, unfurling a tapestry of future ambitions in this under-11 category showdown.
And as the first ball was bowled, anticipation crackled in the air. The supernova was set to ignite the sky, while the Nebula hoped to dazzle with their own luminescent display. A stellar bout was in the stars tonight.
In an astral battle, Supernova's stellar bowling dimmed Nebula's brightness to a mere 71. The chase was eclipsed swiftly, with a solitary wicket lost, gifting Supernova a resounding 9-wicket victory in the starry skirmish.
Nebula, sent into orbit by their own choice, crumbled under the Supernova's relentless pressure. The chase saw comets flash by as the target was overhauled with ease, leaving Nebula's night sky shattered in their wake.
Nebula's innings sputtered like a faltering starship, with only Yesoda's brief flare providing hope. But it was the extras that truly inflated their score, a gift from the Supernova that even then could not brighten their innings.
The Supernova bowlers, led by Hashmi's 5-4, spun a web around Nebula's batsmen, with Patel and Bathi supporting in this interstellar onslaught. Nebula's bats became like meteoroids, burning up on entry to the Supernova's atmosphere.
Chasing light, Supernova's batsmen steered their ship with a calculated cruise. Bathi shone brightest, unbeaten, guiding his team past Nebula's total with celestial calmness.
Nebula's bowlers, like planets out of alignment, scattered extras across the innings, aiding Supernova's surge. Nayak's solitary wicket was a momentary flicker in an innings dominated by Supernova's batsmen.
Hashmi's 5-wicket haul was a black hole for Nebula's runs, while Bathi's calm orbit at the crease anchored Supernova to a serene victory.
The gravitational force of Hashmi's bowling performance pulled Nebula into an event horizon, while Bathi's batting was the comet's tail, streaking towards victory with unyielding luminescence.
Supernova emerged victorious by 9 wickets, their bowling arsenal proving too potent for Nebula. The choice to bat first backfired, like a misfired rocket, propelling Supernova instead.
A resounding win for the Supernova, leaving the Nebula to ponder the cosmic forces that conspired against them. The margin of victory, vast as the space between stars. Like a young Virat Kohli taking the field, Bathi's composure and Hashmi's fierce spell remind us of cricket's boundless potential. It's a story that will echo in the annals of these young teams' histories.
Tonight's game, while short, was sprinkled with stardust performances that portend thrilling odysseys ahead. A supernova shines brightest before it fades, and tonight, they illuminated the New Jersey hub with cricketing promise.